Hey, what's up, D&C Performance? We are same day, but Firebird's all done. And I actually have it up on the scales. Sounds like somebody might be here. Great. But I got everything done. Dashboard's all back together. Wires are. Ugh. Try not to bang the door. The wires are all tucked up neat. The lower panels are on. The sill plate, A-pillars, which I think the A-pillars have to come back off because he's got the new dash piece for up there. But I did test it, and I probably should do it again. But everything works. All the boost control, the vent now works. So on wastegate, it makes like 4.6 pounds, 4.7 pounds, which is good. That's low enough because we were launching, I think, I don't know because there's no data logs, which is really weird to me. But I think we were launching it on like 6 pounds of boost. So we should be able to control the boost now and make the car go faster. I don't know what it was running for boost, but we shall see. Friday, we are actually going to Orlando SpeedWorld. They have test and tune. He's gonna bring the car up there, so I agreed I'd go out there with him. And try and get the data logs. I'm just going to put my laptop in the car, which reminds me I got to get an inverter. So that way I could charge my laptop, but I'll put the laptop in the car and just data log it down the track. And that way I'm not trying to figure out or explain to him the handheld data log. So yeah, so what I'm doing right now is I have the car on the scales, and I have, trying to get it to come up here. I actually have a chassis program, Tim McCamus. So I'm gonna put all his information in and figure out the angle of the bars. I got it on the scales right now. The car in its current form weighs 3,323 pounds, no driver. It's very heavy on the front left for some reason. I don't know why, but it is very heavy on the front left, which I'm going to try to adjust the anti-roll bar and pull some of the weight up off that. It might be the spring heights might be different up front. So I got to go through and I got to measure everything and put it into here, and then we'll see kind of what's going on. So I'm going to do all of that and then come back. Okay, so I just went through, measured everything, put it all into the program, and right after I saved it, my laptop pretty much dead. So I will put a screenshot of all of it in there, and there's no anti-squat in this car. There's no anti-squat, no rise. It's all squat. Right now we're at a 65.9% squat, which is not what we want on a radial tire. And the lowest with this setup we can get it is like a 13%. So we may end up dropping the bars and seeing how that works. I have to call and find out. We did order coilover shocks, so I have to call and find out where the shocks are. So I'm going to do that, but I'm getting out of here today. It's 51 degrees here in Florida, and to us that is frigid cold. Explains the hoodie underneath. There's a thermal shirt, a t-shirt. Like, it's cold, but I appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, leave me a comment. Have a good day.